Bollards come in many sizes, forms and functions. At first this may seem overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help. To find the solution right for you, all you need to do is make 4 choices. First, choose the movability. Bollards can be fixed, removable, foldable, or retractable. Fixed solutions are ideal for when bollards don't need to be moved. This can be in front of shop windows or protecting fixed structures such as gas meters. Movable options such as removable, foldable, and retractable bollards are ideal for when access control is needed. This can be to protect parking spots, warehouse entrances, alleyways, or restricted areas. Removable bollards are the most cost-effective way to get strong protection at a site. Foldable bollards don't provide as much strength, but are ideal for protecting parking spots with ease. Retractable bollards come in either manual or automatic. Automatic retractable bollards are either powered by hydraulic or pneumatic systems, and can be controlled by remote control, control rooms, push buttons, among other options. The second choice to make is what kind of mounting installation is ideal for you. Surface-mounted bollards are installed above ground, which is the easier and cheaper installation option. This is also good when the ground cannot be dug into. Subsurface mounted bollards are installed beneath the ground, which adds strength to the installation. The third choice to make is size. The bigger the bollard, the stronger it will be. The size can increase in diameter, height, and wall thickness. Bigger, stronger bollards are needed when they can be targeted or accidentally crashed into by heavy vehicles. The final choice is aesthetic design. Different aesthetics are achieved through material, style, and colour choices. Common materials are stainless steel or mild steel. Mild steel bollards are powder-coated, generally in yellow for high visibility, but bollards can be made in many different colours to suit aesthetic desires. The bollard can also be cut in many different shapes to give it an artistic touch, such as sloping tops, curved tops, or straight edges. Bollards can also feature extra functionality, such as an emergency help point bollard, intercoms, card readers, cameras, or they can be used for utility service. So there you have it, bollard solutions made easy. To help you out, here are some popular bollard choices. This is the GP100 bollard. It is a fixed bollard with a base plate for surface mounting. This is a GM100 bollard. It is a fixed bollard for subsurface mounting. It can be concrete backfilled. This is a CDKL90 bollard. It is removable and is subsurface mounted. It can be key lockable or padlockable. This is a MySpace bollard. It is removable and surface mounted. This is a foldable FD150 bollard. This is a WT140 bollard. It is a thick bollard, ideal for high impact protection. This is the FLX140 bollard. It is a fixed, surface mounted bollard which is flexible. This limits the damage to the bollard and vehicle in the case of minor collisions. This is ideal for parking environments. The DB100 is a stainless steel designer curved bollard which comes surface mounted, subsurface mounted, fixed or removable. It is ideal when aesthetic design is paramount. For more information, visit australianbollards.com.au or call us on 03 9459 3488.